ArchiCAD versus VectorWorks. So let's start with ArchiCAD. So ArchiCAD, developed by Graphisoft, is a BIM-first architectural design software known for speed, teamwork features, and deep building information modeling. It's widely used in medium to large architecture firms. VectorWorks, on the other hand, developed by VectorWorks, is a versatile design tool that blends 2D drafting, 3D modeling, and BIM, which is ideal for smaller firms, interior designers, and hybrid workflows. So let's talk about their pros. First, for ArchiCAD, it offers a true BIM first workflow with deep building data integration. It's also excellent for large projects and team collaboration. It also has a fast and smooth performance even on complex models, and it's widely used by architecture firms globally. The only downside is it has an expensive annual license for full features. So our Works, on the other hand, offers combines 2D drafting, 3D modeling, and BIM in one platform. It also has an easier learning curve for CAD users and creatives. It's also great for landscape, interior, and smaller architecture projects, and it has a custom scripting via the Marionette, and it has a one-time purchase option available. The only downside is it's not as scalable as ArchiCAD for massive BIM projects. So use or choose ArchiCAD if you're a BIM-focused architect, and choose VectorWorks Architect if you want a flexible, all-in-one design tool.